Your mom is so fat, and she has got mad because she dropped her Big Mac, which was grabbed by a cat.
A hill is a house for an ant. A hive is a house for a bee. A hole is a house for a mole or a mouse, and a house is a house for me. This is the beginning of one of my favourite poems by Mary Ann Hoberman. But today we are going to be looking at a different kind of poem, one that uses similes. A simile is a way of speaking or writing where we compare one thing with another. His hat is red like a rose. You donut, nose long like garden hose. She was as brave as a lion. Kay's study schedule keeps her as busy as a bee. When making our own similes, we must remember to use the words as or like when describing someone or something. Which one of these four is not a simile? When you've identified it, please write 3 examples of similes. They can describe something or someone, and they can be similes using either like or as. You can pause the video to do this. Now, the word rhyme means the repeated sounds, usually at the end of every second line of a poem. For example, bat, cat, bat, mat. Also consider the rhythm, the number of beats in a line, which comes from how many syllables are in each line. For example, the highwayman went riding down the glen, as fast as bullets over hills chased by angry men. Now, please write an 8-line poem on a topic of your choice. It can be about food, family, friends, school, homework, animals, anything. Make sure that it rhymes and it has a nice flow, a nice beat, rhythm, syllable count. Also, please include at least 1 simile.